Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add an Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story. All right, let's begin. First, open the Amazon app and make sure you are signed in to your Amazon Associates account. Search for the product you want to promote. In this example, it's the Sonos Era 300. Tap on the product, then tap the image to select one for your story. Take a screenshot and crop it to focus on the product image, then save it to your photos. Next, go back to the product page and tap the share icon. You'll see your store ID and affiliate tracking included. Tap Copy Associates link to copy the affiliate link to your clipboard. Now, open Instagram and swipe right to create a new story. Tap the bottom left corner to select the screenshot you just saved. Once it's added, tap the sticker icon at the top, then select Link. Paste your Amazon affiliate link and customize the sticker text. For example, Sonos Era 300. Hit Done, then move the sticker where you want it on the screen. Now you can share the story with your followers. Anyone who clicks the link and makes a purchase on Amazon within the qualifying time will earn you commission through your affiliate link. So that's basically how you can add an Amazon affiliate link to your Instagram story. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.